John may choose a 1 over 7 raise in pay or 0.142 increase. Which value will give him more money? So we have 1 over 7 and we have 0.142. Which number is greater? We have to calculate. We have fraction and we have decimal number. So we have two ways to solve this problem. We can change 1 over 7 to decimal number or decimal number to fraction. First, maybe let's change this decimal number to fraction. So this is equal. We don't have whole number because before decimal point we have 0. So we have how we change decimal number to fraction. Whatever we have after decimal point we will write in the numerator. And in denominator we have only always 1 and we count how many digits we have after decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 zeros in the denominator. We have 142 thousandths. So we change decimal number to fraction. But to compare two fractions, we need to have the same denominators. We have 7 and 1000. So what I can do here, when I multiply first fraction, numerator and denominator by 1000, let me do this. Let me copy this fraction. We have 1 over 7. We will multiply numerator by 1000 and denominator by 1000. So we will have 1 times 1000 is 1000, and in denominator we have 7 times 1000 is 7000. In the second fraction we have 1000 only. So when I multiply numerator and denominator by 7, I will get the same denominator. 7 and times 7. So it will be, in denominator 1000 times 7, it will be 7000. And 142 times 7 is 994. So we have the same denominators. So let me copy these two fractions. On the left side we have 1000 over 7000, and on the right side we have 994 over 7000. We have to compare these two fractions. Denominators are the same, so we have to only check numerators. Let me copy this numerators. We have 1994. Which number is greater? Of course, 1000 is greater. It means that this fraction, 1000 over 7000, will be greater than 994 over 7000. We see that when John chose the raise 1 over 7, he will get more money because this fraction is greater than that. So we can write that John will get more money when he chooses 1 over 7 raise. Or, if you want, you can change fraction to decimal number and then compare these two numbers. How we change decimal fraction to decimal? We have to do long division. We have to divide 1 by 7. Because we cannot divide 1 by 7, after 1 is always, we can write decimal point, and we need to add zeros. a few zeros, doesn't matter how many you want. And now, because, like I said, we cannot divide 1 by 7, so on the top we will write 0, decimal point we copy, and next we have to copy our 1 and take down 0. And now we have to divide 10 by 7. 10 divided by 7 is 1. And now we have to do multiplication. 1 times 7 is 7. So now we have to do subtraction. 10 minus 7 is 3. Again, we have to take down 0. And now 30 divided by 7 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. And again, we can take next 0 down. Because we have here 3 digits after decimal points, so we want to get at least 3 digits from the second, from this fraction. So now we have 20 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. So next, 20 minus 14 is 6. So again, we will take down next 0. Why we have to do still division? Because we see that now we have 0.142 and 0.142. We don't know now which number is greater. And now 60 divided by 7 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. So 60 minus 56 is 4. And I think we can stop the division right now. We got that 1 over 7 is approximately equal to this number. So we can write that 1 over 7 is approximately, because we didn't finish the division, 0.1428. And the second raise was 0.142. So now which number is greater? You can always compare 0, 0, 1, 1, we have 4, 4, next we have 2 and 2, and because we have here 4 digits, so I can add 1 digit, and of course it will be 0. You can always add 0 at the end. So now we have 8 and 0. Which number is greater? 8 is greater. So it means that 1 over 7 is greater than 0.142. So John has to choose the raise 1 over 7, because when he chooses the raise 1 over 7, he will get more money. So we got the same answer like we got from changing decimal number to fraction and by comparing these two fractions. This is my solution.